Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to try out the quick shots with the Dji Mini2, so make sure you stay tuned if you haven't seen this, and let's do it. So in this video we're going to be using the Dji Mini2 with the quick shots. We're currently using an ND32 with today because the weather is absolutely stunning. If you haven't seen my video with the ND filters, make sure you head on over there straight after this. And let's get to the video. So we've got our drone all set up, already rock and roll. Because the terrain is a bit rocky here, we're using a bit of like a landing pad. And we're going to try out the quick shots, the circular motion, and we'll see how nice it is at the end. We're going to be using my car for the quick shots today because there's not much around that I can do it on. So let's take this bad boy up and see exactly how stable the quick shots are. The first one we want to try out today, then we basically want to click on the top box where you can obviously change the video settings between photo, video, quick shots and pano. We want to click on quick shots, and then the first one we're going to use then is droney. We're going to highlight the subject, which we're going to be using our car. Once you see the highlighted box, you're going to click on the start button.
3, 2, 1.
And it's basically just going to give you a nice cinematic move, basically going up on an angle like that. Once it reaches 100%, it'll return back to its original position. But we want to make sure while the drone's in the air, because the Mini 2 only has sensors on the bottom, we want to make sure it doesn't hit any obstacles in the air, like such as trees or pylons or whatever. So the Mini 2 now is just returning back to its original position. The second one we want to do, same sequence, is called rocket. I'm going to highlight the car and we're going to click start. It'll count down from 3 to 1. It's pretty good at keeping the car in the shot. If you highlight an object, it will tend to keep it in the shot. It's pretty good. Now it's returning back to its original position. We're just going to check on the drone. We're in a nice open area, so we don't have to worry too much about any pylons or any trees. It's a lovely day. There's nothing around, so we're happy with that. It's returned back to its original position now. And then the third one we're going to use is my favourite, is the circle. We're going to highlight the car again, and then with this one you can choose whether you want to go clockwise or anti-clockwise.
3, 2.
So again, now it's counting down from 3 to 1. And then as normal, we're just going to keep an eye on the drone, keep an eye on the controller, make sure it doesn't hit any objects. This time now it's going round a circular motion round the car, and it's keeping that car in the shot basically. The issue we got with using the quick shots is it does eat your battery, so make sure you keep an eye on obviously your battery and your RC signal and your GPS. So again, now it's just going to return back to its original position. And the next one we're going to use is helix. This one is a nice one. I like this one as well. So again, I'm going to highlight the car in the subject, and we're going to go around the opposite way this time. I'm going to click start.
2, 1.
we've got our RC controller in the cine mode. So we've got nice control of the drone. So with this one now, it starts off at a certain height. It does a circular motion. As it's doing a circular motion, the drone is going higher and higher each time. So as you can see now, the drone is 38 meters from where we took it off from. And it's increasing nicely now up to 40 meters. And now again it's going to return back to home, and what it does is it picks the shortest route, so it won't go back all the way around, it'll just come back down diagonal. The next one we're going to use now is boomerang. Just going to click on the boomerang, and then we're going to highlight the car again, choose which direction you want to go, which is clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then once we're happy we've got the car or the object or the subject in the shot, we're going to click on the start button.
2, 1.
So we can see now the battery is on, it's got basically 47%, just over halfway, and we've got approximately 11 minutes left on the battery. You can see the drone now has increased its height now, and it's just basically doing that, as it's going round, it's doing that boomerang effect. This is a nice little move, it's nice. So you can see it's going up now, 90%. Once it reaches 100%, it'll come back and it'll pick its shortest way route back down to where it started off. Once you've carried out all your quick shots, use your favourite software, your editing software, add whether you want to colour grade it or add LUTs to it, and let's stitch this all together and see what it turns out like.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
guys, that's it for the quick shots. It's only a quick video, nice and short. Hope you liked it. If you want to see any more videos, for example, just done a video now with the maximum height in UK, which is 120 meters. So if you want to see that video, make sure you head on over to this one. And if you like this video, guys, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new around here, please subscribe to the channel, helps the channel grow, and I'll see you on the next one.